Yeah. Hello. Today we are going to see about the particular issue. Interestingly, we already know that is very in the knowledge. So, you have any idea about subject training for the
Subject training, engineering know when you go to tractor, materials using for cast iron, stainless steel. With removing the material in surface, accuracy and quality of
you are very it's like you said that EPA. So the basic purpose we just want to using this surface training machine. We just want to remove the that unwanted material from the any workpiece. Okay, if you are taken this is the workpiece. Okay, we are using this particular machine. If we want to remove the surface of the particular material. So what is the if I am removing the surface of this material? So what is the thing it will be going to happen? So the finishing of this surface of this particular material, it will be getting a very smooth. Okay, smooth and also saying no. So accuracy. To getting a good accuracy. Okay, so that's why you just want to use this particular machine. Okay, that is grinding machine. You just want to remove the any type of material. You just want to use any type of raw material. Okay, you just want to place it over here. You just want to remove the surface of the certain material. So that is the basic concept of this particular machine. So before that, so this is the purpose of this particular machine. Okay. So let me see each and every part of this particular machine. Okay. So this is the cross line. Okay. This wheel will be known as what? Cross line. So this is by using this wheel we can move the exact that belt. Okay. The machine belt you just want to move to one to a line. Okay. So this cross line in motion. So that's why it will be known as this wheel will be known as cross line wheel. Okay. So then so this wheel will be known as longitudinal wheel. Okay. So the longitudinal axis will be moving. So the reciprocating motion. Okay, longitudinal motion or reciprocating. So that's why this wheel will be known as longitudinal wheel. Okay. So the another important part will be available here. So this wheel. So this is the depth of cut wheel. Okay. So we just want to using this wheel, you just want to moving a up and down motion of the particular grinding wheel. Okay. These are all the very important parts of the particular machinery. So the most important part is what? So what it is? Grinding. Do you know that? What is the material? What is the purpose of this wheel?
Sir, to remove dust to remove unwanted particles from the
workpiece. Okay. So I just ask you, if any dust particle or unwanted particle in this grinding wheel, no, so then how can we remove that particle?
Sir, this one is a diamond cutter. You place it here in that shape. You see the picture. It will be diamond cutter. It removes unwanted particles from the grinding.
Yeah, very good, Kandi. So it will be a very very good. Science will be said that no. So this is a diamond dresser. Okay. So the diamond dresser, it will be using the material which can be used to remove the dust particle and an unwanted particle from the grinding wheel. Okay. So this grinding wheel is a very very important medium. Okay. By using the to obtain the what objective. Our objective is what? We just want to remove the unwanted. We just want to get a smoother surface of the any material. Am I right? So we just want to obtain that. So the grinding wheel is a very important medium. Okay. So the material of the grinding wheel, carborundum. Okay. So carborundum magnesium. It will be there are different types of material we are using here. Okay. It is one of the material. Okay. So the black and white surface, there are various surface of material which can be using for grinding. Okay. It is one of the material, carborundum material. Okay. So another important important element is the bed. Okay. So this is the bed which can be easily operated by a magnetic chuck. So it will be. This is one of the chuck. As like that, we are using in a lathe machine now. So same as like that, we are using here the magnetic chuck. So we just want to getting on the magnetic field and off the magnetic field by using this lever. Okay. So if you are on the lever, so if any material which we just want to place it over here, it will be very strong. Okay. So if we want to, before we just want to removing the surface, so we just want to ensure that whether the lever it will be on condition or off condition. So the lever should be in the on condition. Then only we just want to place it the material first. Okay. After that we just want to on the lever. So that's why we just want to ensure the proper arrangement of material.